We'll guide you through how to remove background noise from a video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a video which has got some background noise in, it's got some city and traffic noise. And what I want to do is go and remove it. So make sure it's this full guide as we guide you through this. To get started though, I'm going to go and play it so you can go and hear how it currently sounds. Let's go and double click on it. Right now we're facing a lot of background noise. And so what I want to do is go and remove it. So with the help of this guide, we're going to do it. Let's do this. There you can hear how it currently sounds, and I'll go and play it again at the end so you can go and see what we've managed to go and do. So to get started, we're going to go and open a web browser like so. We're going to head to a website in order to do this. It is called Clipchamp. This is actually by Microsoft. So come to clipchamp.com. Then what you want to do is go and press create a video. It's going to go and load. To go and use it, you can go and continue with Microsoft, Google, or an email. In this case, I'm going to sign in with my Microsoft account. So I'm going to go and click that there, and I'll quickly go and sign in. After you've gone and signed in, just go and wait, and the editor is going to go and load. At the top, you can press create a new video. Then when it goes and loads, we can come over to the left and press import media. Make sure in my media, by the way, and click there. Now we need to go and find the video we want to go and do it with. It's on my desktop here. It's this one here. So I've got it selected and I'll go and press open. Wait for it to upload. It shouldn't go and take too long. When it has, it will go and say, as you can see, and we're going to click, hold and drag it into the timeline like this. Go and select it in your timeline. Now you want to come to the top right where it says audio and you need to go and press detach audio. Now just go and wait for it to detach, and then you want to go and select the audio in the timeline. And with it then detached, we've got the option for noise suppression, and you can go and click on the switch. Now it's going to go and say loading items to your video. Go and be patient for it to go and complete. It now has. And what you can do is now play it back. Facing a lot of background noise. And so what I want to do is go and remove it. So with the help of this guide, we're going to do it. Let's do this. You can go and hear there that it's now much better. And so what we can then do is we can go and press export in the top right. We're going to do this in 1080p. I won't store it in the cloud, and you can go and name what you want. I'll name it completed GR. Press export. Now just go and wait while it goes and completes. Now it's going to go and download, as you can see. And now we've got it on our computer, and you can go and play it again, and you'll go and be able to compare it to the original.